Hi, I'm Dwayne with American Dawn. American Dawn is the global leader in reusable textile solutions, manufacturing and distributing uniforms and linens for the healthcare, hospitality, food service, and industrial industries. We're a family-run company built on quality, innovation, and lasting partnerships. You're watching our educational series. Let's get into it. Our cotton polyester blend towels are designed specifically for the healthcare industry, where performance, durability, and patient comfort all matter. Hospitals, nursing homes, and clinics need linens that feel soft for patients while holding up to industrial laundering and frequent turnover. These towels combine the best of both fibers, giving healthcare laundries the balance they need. Cotton provides softness, absorbency, and a familiar, comfortable feel for patients. Polyester adds strength, helps the towels dry faster, resists shrinkage, and improves wrinkle resistance. Blended construction means longer life and wash cycles compared to 100% cotton, while maintaining comfort. At ADI, our towels offer a wide range of benefits and enhancements, including cams and industrial strength hems. This is across all of our different white and beige lines of towels, washcloths, bath towels, and bath mats. Additionally, given the 86-14 blend, that gives us the advantage of cotton with high absorbency and softness, and the longevity and the long-lasting life of the polyester. This range allows laundries to service both standard patient rooms and specialty areas while offering color-coded solutions. These are examples of typical towel weights: washcloths, hand towels, and bath mats. Each have their own appropriate ranges, but overall, the heavier the towel, the greater absorbency, durability, and comfort it provides. A lightweight towel is about 5 to 7 pounds per dozen, or about 300 to 400 GSM. Fast drying and easy to process, ideal for high turnover patient rooms. Midweight would range from 7 to 10 pounds per dozen, about 4 to 600 grams per square meter. The most common in healthcare, a strong balance of softness, absorbency, and durability. Heavyweight towels are 12 plus pounds per dozen, or about 6 to 800 GSM. They offer premium absorbency and a plush feel, used in specialty or VIP patient areas. Cotton poly blend towels are especially valuable in medical environments because they combine comfort and durability. Patient comfort, soft cotton content provides a gentle hand feel while remaining absorbent for daily hygiene. Staff efficiency. Polyester helps towels dry faster and resist shrinking, ensuring a consistent inventory with less pressing time. Laundry performance. Blends deliver more turns per towel compared to just cotton, lowering replacement rates and extending product life. Consistency across facilities. Uniform sizing and reduced shrinkage simplify processing and stocking for laundries. One of our laundry partners transitioned to an ADI cotton polyester blended towel. The added polyester content significantly reduced shrinkage and wrinkling, helping maintain consistent inventory quality across hundreds of wash turns. The laundry reported lower replacement costs, while patients continued to rate the towels as soft, absorbent, and comfortable. By switching to cotton polyester blends, the hospital achieved cost efficiency, operational consistency, and improved patient satisfaction. The towels were well received by the laundry's healthcare customers, offering the ideal balance of comfort and durability, pleasing both patients and staff alike.